I am now honored to announce that the recipients of the 2024 Tang Prize in Biopharmaceutical Science are Juul Habener, Svetlana Mojsov, Jens Juul Holst. They are jointly awarded for the discovery of GLP-1 7 to 37 as an insulinotropic factor and the development of the GLP-1 7 to 37 based anti-diabetic and anti-obesity drugs.
I'm deeply honored by being selected as one of the prestigious 2024 Tang Prize laureates in Biopharmaceutical Science. I thank the Tang Prize Committee for selecting me for this award. It is very gratifying indeed to receive this peer recognition for my contributions to the discovery of GLP-1 and to see that these contributions are helping to alleviate illnesses in people throughout the world. Some people think that they're competitors, but when they're really finding similar results, they're actually corroborators. They're reproducing the findings that you discovered. That means they're probably correct. if you come up with studies and then nobody can reproduce them, then that's bad.
I was really surprised. I did not expect to receive the Tang Prize. And I didn't even follow when the announcement for the Tang Prize is going to happen. So when the email I read first thing in the morning, and I actually had to read it twice in order to understand really what was the meaning. But my next reaction was that of really immense gratitude to the committee which awards the Tang Prize for recognizing my contribution to the discovery of GLP-1. I was really, I'm really humbled that I'm put in the company of so many important scientists whose work actually impacted the life of so many people. No, I think it's very rewarding, right, to know that something I did out of curiosity, actually, trying to find out, to discover, it actually has helped so many people all over the world. And in our campus, among my colleagues, and family members, so that's gratifying. As a scientist, you always want to ask questions you're interested in, so I just worked on I got a lot of support, and I worked on an interesting question. And there are many more. There are so many other diseases which we don't know much about. So the field is open. And even if you're thinking of trying to understand how GLP-1 regulates weight, we don't know that. So far, it's only coming from clinical observation. And so that's a whole new area which is really open for discovery. And it needs a lot of support for that, but I'm sure it will be here.
I previously described the development of these compounds into what they have become, these major weight loss agents and treatments for diabetes. And part of the honor for that must go to the pharmaceutical industry, because this was not an easy job to develop these things. The hormone, the molecule we discovered, it was not easy to turn that into a useful drug. And there's still developments going on. And so you really have to give credit to the pharmaceutical industry for some of that development, of course. So if there's something that I really think is where we worked hard and did a good job was in the development of the DPP-4 inhibitors, because that was really, really successful, and that was work done in our laboratory. So that I think was, it was really successful and fun and a wonderful experience. So the most important really is to make sure to do something that you like, that you think is fun. I think and I thought that surgery was fantastic, and so that was fun for me. I mean, I was really enthusiastic about it, and I think that the research we've done has been fun also, really. And I've had extreme pleasure in working together with my students throughout the years. And there are new students coming every year, it's amazing. It's a privilege to have that kind of collaboration and continuous development. So that's hugely good. So make sure that the thing you do is fun. As long as it's fun, then you're almost guaranteed a nice life